Do it.
And not hard.
You gotta hold it. Pull trigger. Pull the trigger all the way down. Pull the
No! Hell no!
Pull the trigger.
I am not doing
I'll do
this.
it without you.
David!
Pull the trigger.
Oh my God! You're making a mess.
Pull the trigger.
This is not a good...
You gotta pull the trigger all the way.
This is not a good idea. This is not a good idea. What the hell? This is horrible. Oh my God! This is not... No. You can't post this to your slides. Oh my God, it's like going on the ceiling and everywhere.
Alright.
No, David, no, this is not acceptable.
Not everything that you see on the YouTube or the internet is a good idea to try. I seen this, thought it was a great idea, but watch. It's fast, but it's slings stuff everywhere. It gets me in lots of trouble.
This is not gonna work. David, seriously, can you please? All right.
It makes chips.
Now you have a huge mess to clean up. I'm stepping away.
We'll have to do this when she goes to work.